Welcome to my house.
Oh my God!
Nam.
This is your house?
Exactly. This is one of my buildings.
This is beautiful.
All thanks to God. Dolly, we're getting it.
Hey!
Come and sit down. Make yourself comfortable. Yeah? Sit down.
Wow.
Let me call my wife. Come on in around.
Very important. I have missed her so much.
I know you have missed her. She have missed you too. Mom, all the best. My sophisticated Yahoo. As I lay here, I've been trying to put a smile on your face. Ought to not avail.
Jesus.
What happened?
Babe, the videographer I booked for my brand he's not here and he's not even picking up. I'm getting another one in Lagos. It's very hard.
Videographer disappointed again. You're not changing your mood. Does he even really want it? And I know that I love you, but how much I love you is what you don't know. I've told you that I want you to have the softest and unproblematic life ever. Any problem, Bem Nekwente. I've got you, eh? Meanwhile, come and greet my father. I came in with my father, eh?
Your dad is here?
Yes, now. All right, I'm waiting for you. Come out of that shell. My wife is coming.
Can't wait to meet her. Hey! Achalugo, my favorite daughter-in-law. I hope you're fine.
She's not fine, no. She said a videographer man employed to come and video her brand shoot for her, disappointed her. You know where you says I've told her to calm down. I am a
professional videographer. Hey! If I take your video, you will, in fact, all your friends, everybody will be shouting, who took this thing? Because I am a professional. Huh? You did tell her, before I married your mother, I was the talk of the town. Hey, Warrior, go inside, go and get ready.
Papa, are you sure? Hello guys, I'm looking for where you can get your phones, home appliances, such as fridge, TV, bike, etc. Then I recommend CDK. And the interesting part of this platform is that you can be paying small. When you pay up to 50%, your items will be delivered to you. And you continue paying till when you are done. To get this app, visit Apple Play Store or Google Play Store.
Is that all?
Yes, Daddy.
That was a very beautiful performance.
Thank you, Daddy.
I told you I can do anything for you.
So Dad, let me go in and prepare your favorite soup for you.